Veggies that pack in the protein. Why do you need protein? Your body uses it to build your muscles and organs, deliver oxygen to cells all over your body, and keep your immune system working. Most people should get at least 10% of their daily calories from protein. That's about 56 grams for a man, based on 2,000 calories a day, and 46 grams for a woman, 1,800 calories a day. Where do you get it? Meat is a good source, but you shouldn't overdo it, especially the fatty kind. It can make you gain weight and lead to high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and other health problems. You can get protein from other foods too, like yogurt, eggs, beans, and even vegetables. In fact, veggies can give you all you need as long as you eat different kinds and plenty of them. Soybeans. Steam them with nothing but a sprinkling of salt for a protein-packed snack. Up to 22 grams per cup. That's about what you'd get from a 6-ounce serving of chicken breast. Lentils. A half cup of cooked lentils has 9 grams of protein. Cook them with caramelized onions and wild mushrooms for a meat-like texture without the meat. Sugar snap peas. They have about 5 grams of protein per cup. Stir-fry them with some tempeh, onions, and hot peppers for a spicy vegetarian feast that's protein-packed. Potatoes. A large baked potato has about 8 grams of protein. But watch the butter and sour cream, they can pile on the fat and calories. Try it with some chili made with low-fat ground turkey or tofu crumbles instead. And add lots of beans to that chili for an even bigger protein hit. Broccoli Rabe. It has more than 3 grams of protein per serving. Sauté it with some garlic and onions for a great side dish that goes with just about anything. White mushrooms. A cup of cooked white mushrooms has about 3.5 grams of protein. Sauté them with garlic and chili flakes, and mix with pasta for a traditional Italian treat. Corn. A dab of butter and a sprinkle of salt, and you have a yummy summer side. 1 large corn, almost 4 grams of protein. Artichoke. The easiest way to have this is to boil one whole and sprinkle it with salt. You can drizzle a little butter or olive oil as well if you like. It's simple and delicious, and has about 3.5 grams of protein. Brussels sprouts. These tiny cabbages pack 2 grams of protein into each half cup. Roast them with onions and garlic, and a little olive oil. You can even add a bit of bacon for flavor and more protein.